How to delete check-ins on Facebook. So the first step is go to your Facebook app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen and click on your profile. Once you have done that, just simply scroll down and go to your about. Scroll down once again and you should look for your um see your about info right here and then scroll down once again and look for check-ins. So once you have check your check-ins, you may click on see all and see all of your check-ins. And then what you're going to do now is to remember the date of that check-in. So for example, right here, I have March 25, 2023. So you should go back to your profile and then go to posts, click on manage posts, and click on this filter icon found on the upper right corner of the screen and go to and change the date. So you may change the date of that check-in. And then once you have done that, you just simply click on the checkbox right here and then click on next and then click on delete. Click on delete once again, wait for it to load, and then that's it. That's how you can delete check-ins on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.